Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. Well, as you can see, today is Snack Nation Day and me and my husband's already opened the box. We've already tested and tasted everything and I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions as I show you what products I received. But for those of you who don't know what Snack Nation is, this is a very nice snack box, I think. Actually, it's only $5 a month. It's $3.99 shipping, but $1 for your snacks. So it's $4.99 out the door. And you receive one every month. But at the end of the month, you have to fill out a survey, a quick 2 or 3 minute survey, and let them know what you think of the snacks. And if you don't fill out the survey, then the price goes up to $9.99. So it's $5, but if you don't fill out the survey, it'll be $10. So definitely make sure you fill out the survey if you sign up for this. I will leave the link down in the description box if you would like to try it out. But with that said, let me go ahead and open it and show you what we got. Now this is the way it looks. It comes with a little postcard that reminds you about filling out the survey. But don't worry, they send you plenty of emails to keep you reminded, hey, you forgot to fill out the survey. Fill out your survey, fill out your survey, so don't worry. Okay, so here is the first item out of the box. And this was, if I had to rate this on a 1 to 10, this was a 10. This was called Rockin' Old Granola, cinnamon flavored granola clusters. Delicious. I poured this in with my cereal and I had frosted mini wheats and I poured this in with my frosted mini wheats. They went together so well. So yeah, definitely 2 thumbs up. I would give them a 10 on that product. Okay, and then we go from a 10 to, can I give a negative? A negative 10? Oh my. Me and my husband, at first I thought this was me, but no, my husband totally agreed with me. These were just gross. I'm sorry whoever made these. I'm not a mean person, but I have to be honest. These were just gross. These are organic chewy banana bites. And I love bananas and I don't mind dark chocolate. A lot of people don't like dark chocolate, but that won't, throw me off. But no, this, no, I'm done. I don't want to go no further. It was bad. I would give it a 1 if I was going to be honest, maybe a 2. I would never eat it again. If I saw it, I would run the other way. Okay. And here was the other, this was a little fun size bar, and this was a FitJoy, and this was a grain-free protein bar, and it was cookies and cream. And I had this one, and I would give this a solid 8. I thought it was good. It wasn't the best thing I've ever had. It is more of a fitness bar, but it was not bad at all. I enjoyed it and I would give it an 8. Okay. And now, speaking of another fitness bar, many of you are probably very aware of Quest bars. We probably all had Quest bars. And this one I appreciated more because the other Quest bars, I don't know how to describe them. They're more like a solid mass of kind of like taffy-ish, like, I don't know if that's really the word, but this was quite different. This was like, had real nuts and chocolate and it wasn't like man-made pressed stuff. This was really a decent bar. Now it is a Quest bar and it is a health bar, so of course it's not going to be like a real delicious candy bar, but I would give it a solid 8 also. I do not think it was bad. So I'm going to give it a solid 8, even though it's a healthy bar. Okay, and this one is the last one out, and this was chocolate peppermint pieces. My husband had these. He enjoys peppermint patties, and he said at first that's what it sort of reminded him of. He's not the biggest fan of them, but he will eat them. He said at first that's kind of what it reminded him of, but the chocolate was a little bit different. So that was, we are supposed to have 6 products, and if you guys count, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. we had another product, and I just remembered what it was. I was trying to think. It was these little cheese puff things. That's what it was. It just came to me right here on the camera. Before I was recording, I'm like, what was the sixth item? Well, anyway, whatever those little cheese puff things are, those were pretty good. When I do my survey, I'm going to know how to rate those. I would give those a solid 8 too. They were decent. Kind of like a Cheez-Its kind of thing. Okay, so if you are interested in trying this out, like I said, it's $3.99 plus $1 to get it shipped to your house. $4.99, you get 6 snacks. Fill out a survey at the end of the month. If not, it goes up to $9.99. Okay, so that was my box for this month. Did you guys get the same things I got? And what did you think? Because I know we all have different taste buds. So let me know if you got some of the same products and what you thought. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. By the way, oh, one more thing, don't go nowhere. The Crown Season 4 has just started on Netflix. I just saw it. Word to everybody out there. Today is Sunday. I don't know what the date is, but it's in November and it's a Sunday. And I just saw The Crown Season 4. If you are a fan like me, you know where I'm going to be the rest of the day. I'm going to do this box, and then I also have my Macy's Beauty box right after this. And then I am going to Netflix land. So definitely go watch The Crown, guys, if you're a fan. If you're not a fan, you might want to start with season 1. It's a pretty good show. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.